Anyway, Mr. Chairman, before I proceed with Major Laraga, to retired General Wilkins, General, just to remind you of your right to file a motion in this Quad Committee. You can file it yesterday or tomorrow or onwards. Now, with regards to the letter of former Deputy Ombudsman Arthur Canandang on his role during his stint as Deputy Ombudsman, and was mentioned by former Senator Trillanes. Mr. Chairman, we will just discuss this in the next hearing, and we will invite former Senator Trillanes with regards to this.
Yes, Congressman Paduano. That's
Thank you.
noted.
Now, in the case of Cassandra Ong, let me announce to the members of this committee that a motion to lift contempt and detention order was filed by Cassandra Ong, and on the basis of medical condition, she is sick. She is currently detained at the Correctional Institution for Women, and the doctors of the CIW and the House of Representatives confirmed that he is not fit to attend and withstand the congressional hearings. With this, Mr. Chairman, I move that we lift the contempt order for Ms. Cassandra Ong.
Second.
So move.
There is a motion to lift the contempt order of Ms. Cassandra Leong, and this was duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. COMSEC, please communicate with the CIW and to the lawyers of Ms. Cassandra Leong of the decision of the Quad Committee. Please proceed, Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Next is the motion to lift the contempt and detention order for Mr. Tony Yang. He is now detained under the custody of the PAOK, and for the fact that there is a pending case that was filed by the BID for Mr. Tony Yang, and his medical condition as of now, he is sick, currently confined at the St. Luke's Hospital in Taguig with a doctor's certificate, Mr. Chairman. With this, Mr. Chairman, I move to lift the contempt order for Mr. Tony Yang.
Second.
There is a motion to lift the contempt order of Mr. Tony Yang, duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. COMSEC, please coordinate with the lawyers of Mr. Tony Yang as well as his doctors. Please proceed, Congressman Paduano.
Let me proceed, Mr. Chairman, in the case of Ms. Alice Go, alias Agua Gawaping, alias Alice Go. He is now detained by virtue of the court order in connection with the criminal case filed against her, and of course, a contempt order was also issued by this House, Mr. Chairman. With that, Mr. Chairman, since Alice Go is now detained by virtue of the court order, I move that we lift the contempt order for Ms. Goaping, alias Alice Go. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion to lift the contempt order of Ms. Go Waping, also known as Alice Go, who is now presently incarcerated at the Pasig City Jail. This motion was duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. COMSEC, please coordinate with the lawyers as well as the Pasig City Jail.